Hello everyone, I am Shivputra Panchal, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, BLDS, VP Dr. PG Halkatti College of Engineering and Technology, Vijaypur. In this session, I am going to discuss about regular expressions, chapter 11 from module 3. What is actually regular expressions? In computing, a regular expression, also referred as regex or reg expression, provides a concise and flexible means for matching strings of text such as particular characters, words, or patterns of characters. A regular expression is written in a formal language that can be interpreted by a regular expression processor. So usually regular expressions can be used to match a particular pattern either from a file or else from a text file, whatever. Understanding regular expressions, very powerful and quite cryptic. Fun once you understand them. Regular expressions are languages unto themselves, a language of marker characters, programming with characters. So there are different regular expressions. So let us have a quick guide on those expressions. So different symbols are there. First one, that is XOR symbol, something like, or else we can also call that as a cap, matches the beginning of a line. So if you consider a particular line, which so this particular symbol will be used as a beginning of a line. Second one, dollar symbol matches the end of the line. Dot operator matches any character from a line. Slash s matches white spaces. Once again, a slash s matches any non-white space characters. Then plus operator repeats the character one or more times. Then within square brackets, AEIOU, so matches a single character in the listed set. Within a square bracket that begins with x comma y, xyz matches single character not in the listed. Then set A to Z 0 to 9 in the square brackets. The set of characters can include a range. Then opening and closing brace indicates where the string extraction is start, indicates where string extraction is to end. The regular expression module. Before you can use regular expressions in your program, you must import library using import RE. So whenever you are going to use certain methods from regular expressions, you have to import one small Python module which is called as RE. You can use re.search. Search is a method included in the module RE. re.search to see if a string matches a regular expression, similar to using the find method for strings. You can use re.findAll to extract portions of a string that match your regular expression, similar to a combination of find and slashing, where var of 5:10. So what is the difference between search and find? Find is used in strings, whereas search is used in the regular expressions. So there are different examples here. Hand equal to open mbox short dot text. There is one file already existed, so we have to process that file. For line in hand, if line dot find of from, so it will search the particular string from the line. If it is greater or equal to 0, then means the total number of occurrences of that from is greater or equal to 0, then we can print that line. So how we can use it using that regular expressions? Import re hand equal to open, we can open that particular file. For line in hand, if re dot search of from comma line, directly we can take that from comma line, then we can print that particular line using re dot search like starts with. So here in strings, what you can use, line dot starts with from. So we can search a particular line, it begins with from. That is what we can use starts with function here. So how we can use it using regular expressions? Import re. So we can open that file. For line in hand, if re dot search, we can directly use that particular operator, that is cap, right, which begins with from, then line. It will print all the lines which begins with from. That is how we can make use of regular expressions. Then something about wildcard characters. The dot character matches any character. If you add the asterisk character, the character is any number of times. Already we have discussed these in regular expressions. So there are certain examples here. XU, colon, CMU, some sentences are there. So how we can use that, how we can extract something from those lines. So now you can see here, what I will write is all the lines which begins with X, then we have a dot operator after X. It means that it matches any character after that. Then star means what? Many times. So it will search all the lines which begins with X, and after that any number of characters from that. So cap X dot star, and after that finally we will have a colon. So that particular n number of characters, then it should end with colon. So it will search only the part of that line up to colon, XU, XDS, PAM result, like that, and it will skip the remaining part. Fine tuning your match. Now we'll go a little bit ahead with that. Depending on how clean your data is and the purpose of your application, you may want to narrow your match down a bit. So how we can search? Now here we'll modify a little bit here, which begins with X. Then what we have after that is something like which begins with X hyphen. Then we have a slash S, means what? Match any non-white space characters. So it will count only something else. That after that there will be no white space characters after that. Then one or more times it will search only one character of that. Then colon, it will search only X hyphen colon, very short. So very strictly from that it will filter. Character matching in regular expressions. Search for lines that starts with F followed by two characters followed by M. So this is an assignment. You can complete this in your house. Search for lines that start with from and have an at sign. These are the two assignments. For line in hand, line equal to line dot r strip, it will remove all the lines, remove all the white spaces. If re dot search of, if it begins with F, then after that two characters, any two characters, then M, comma line. So it will search all the lines once again. It will search all the lines which begins with from. Import re, hand equal to open. So we can open that file. We can remove all the white spaces, beginning white spaces. If re dot search of begins with from colon, then any one single character plus at, then after that at, comma line. It will search all the lines which begins with from and as well as any single characters, one or not single character, any one or more characters ends with at. Extracting data using regular expressions. To extract data from a string in Python, we can use the find all. So x equal to re dot find all of, so that begins slash s plus at slash s plus line. So re dot find all of, so you can also give in the form of square brackets a to z, then capital A to z, then 0 to 9 slash s. So like that we can give the we can extract the data using regular expressions. Next, combining, searching and extracting. If you want to find numbers on lines that starts with a string x hyphen, such as x, so there is some examples. We can construct the following regular expression to select the lines which begins with x hyphen dot star any number of times, then colon, then after that 0 to 9, one or more occurrence of the number 0 to 9, and after that plus is there. So in this way we can search, we can first find the string, then we can extract the data using a particular regular expression. Search for lines that start with x followed by any non-white space characters and colon, followed by a space and any number. The number can include a decimal. So for that once again we have to import that regular expression. Then for line in hand, we can remove the white spaces. If re dot search, what we can take is begins with x, then we have to take slash s star, then colon, then one or more occurrence of the number, then we can pass that particular line. So from that line it will search whether that line comes with the particular pattern or not. Search for lines that start with x followed by any non-white space characters and followed by a space, and any number, the number can include a decimal, then print the number if it is greater than 0. So what we can do is, for that we can use re dot find all of, so again in that particular pattern, then we can put some conditions based on the searching pattern. If length of x is greater than 0, then we can print that particular pattern, otherwise we can't print that. So details of, right, there is one link here. So details of such expressions is also available with reference to that link. Search for lines that start with details, reverse equal to followed by numbers, right, then print the numbers if it is greater than 0. This is how that program is written here. Once again the same thing. Write a program to extract hour of the day from the line which begins with from with respect to mbox.txt using regular expression. So here what you can do is, first re dot find all, which begins with from dot star any number of characters, then after that one or more occurrence of number, and after that only two numbers, then colon, then it prints line here. So only two numbers in the sense it will print only the hour here, hour portion of that particular line. Then if length of x is greater than 0, then we can print that. So it will print only hour from that mbox short.txt, and which should begins with from. Escape character, import re, we received $10 for cookies, y equal to re dot find all of. So we can use that escape sequence like this here, slash dollar 0 to 9 dot plus one or more occurrence of that particular number, then we which is searched from the sentence, the variable called x here. So this is what something about regular expressions. Thank you.